Hey guys, it's the Doll Place, and today we are reviewing the Our Generation Schoolroom Science Lab.
And we got this set because it is just so perfect for our doll, Ginelle, because she is an absolute science nerd, and we thought that this would really make her room show that a little bit more. We purchased this at Target for $24.
And considering how much it seems like comes within this seems like a reasonable price.
So, without further ado, let's get into the review.
So the first thing that it comes with is this periodic table of elements, and I have to say I really like the pink coralish color behind it. I think this would be really cute to hang on the wall.
And this is made of like a really thick cardstock, so it's not going to like just rip or anything like that.
Next is this physics textbook.
And this is made so nicely. It is very thick and like there are actual pages. The pages don't say anything, they're just blue on the inside, but they are so nicely made and I think that this is adorable.
There's also these two notebooks. One is for chemistry and one is for science. And these pages are actually lined.
So you could write stuff in there if you'd like. I think that this is so cute. They look so much like real notebooks that you'd find at the store, and they are really cute.
And going along with the notebooks, they have these two different writing utensils, a pen and a pencil.
And the really cool thing about the pen is that it actually opens up, like, so that is really neat. That's a very detailed little pen right there, and I think that it is so cute. And then there's also the pencil, and that is so nicely made as well. These are just so cute, and I can't wait to put them in the room.
Next is this molecule model.
This is adorable. It is made of like a plastic, and it is really cute. I love all the colors, and it's going to really add something to the decoration. Next are these little test tubes, and they come inside of this little stand here, and you can pull them out, and you can see the top of it just has 3 holes to put all of the tubes in, and I think that this is so cute. Each one is filled with a different type of liquid. It is not actually liquid, it's like plastic, but it looks like liquid, and there are little measurements on the side. I just think that these are so detailed, and they are absolutely adorable.
Next is this skeleton model and a stand. So all you do is pop him on here, and you can display your skeleton.
And here is a little bit of a size comparison between the two. You can see he comes up to about her armpit. Here is its face, and the jaw can open and close, so it is a little bit articulated.
And the arms and legs are removable, and you just snap them back in.
So that is pretty cool, so your dolls could like study like the arm or something, I guess,
and I just think it's super cool and detailed.
So next are these little science goggles, and they are so cute, and you can fold the sides down so that they can store really well. Now here is what they look like on the doll. And as you can see, this is super cute, and they look just like science goggles, and yeah, they are absolutely adorable.
So next thing is this blue apron, and the neck attaches with Velcro, and the back you can tie up.
Here is what she looks like wearing the apron, and honestly I think this just pulls the whole look together, and it really makes her look like a little science nerd, and I love it.
Next are these teal color gloves, and this is so that your doll can practice lab safety.
Okay, so I am absolutely in love with the whole look with the goggles, the apron, and the gloves. I think it just really pulls the whole science look together, and to me this is just so Ginelle, and I'm so happy to have this in our collection now. So one of the main pieces to this entire set is this little desk, and the really cool thing about this is that it actually has wheels that work. They can turn on their sides, and then they can actually spin around and all that, so they work just like real wheels on furniture do. Here is a size comparison to the doll. It comes up to about her waist, so it is the perfect size for a little science table.
So next is this little pipette, which is a crucial part to any science lab.
And this is so detailed, and I think that it is so cute. So one thing that you could put on this desk is this little bottle of dye, and it is so cute. You can see all of the dye sitting in there, and it's this bright orange color. This whole thing is made out of this really nice plastic, and I can't wait to put this on top of the desk. So here is a bottle of vinegar,
which corresponds with this jar of baking soda. So I would imagine that they are doing a science experiment, watching the reaction of vinegar and baking soda together. And this baking soda, you can't open the lid, but it actually is moving around in the jar. So that's pretty cool.
So next is this little beaker full of some sort of blue liquid, and I think it is so detailed with all of the measurements on the side. This is just such a cute piece.
And I can really appreciate the fact that they chose to do milliliters instead of our traditional units, because in science they use the metric system.
Next is another beaker, and this one is a different shape and is filled with a different color liquid, and it also has the measurements on the side of it. And it also came with this little measuring cup, and this is so cute. A very cool piece to this set is this microscope, and I've always wanted to get a microscope for Ginelle, so that is really cute. One of the really cool things about this piece is that it can actually light up at the end so like your dolls could really see what they're looking at, and I think that that's such a cute detail. And you can look through the top and you can actually like see through it. I mean, like, you won't be able to, but yeah, you can see through the top. There's a bunch of lens on the bottom and it is incredibly detailed. And these little things can turn to sort of get closer to the thing you're looking at or further. And I think that is just so cute that this is actually like operating in a sense. Like there's all these little things you can turn and lights you can turn on. I think it's just such a detailed piece, and I couldn't have pictured a better doll microscope. So the last two pieces of the set are this little beaker here and this burner under it. And one of the really cool things about this, you can turn this light on the bottom, and the light it gives off is actually really cool. It's like this very ultraviolet looking light.
And it actually changes the color of the liquid inside of the beaker. So when the light is off, it is this lime green color, but when you put it on top of the burner and turn that burner on, it turns it to that cobalt blue.
And there you have it. There are all of the pieces to this set.
I just love how detailed each and every piece is, and the colors are so bright and vibrant. It's definitely something that you would want to display in your dollhouse.
I can't wait to put this in Ginelle's room to get her room looking all sciencey.
And I can't wait to use all of these items in episodes and just around the house.
So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye!